Oh yeah, folks! The camera world is buzzing again, and this time, it's all about Sony's next big move, the Sony A7V. Yes, you heard that right. The successor to the wildly popular A7 IV is finally showing its face. And guess what? We've got the first real-world images, some juicy prototype details, and a whole lot of rumors to chew on. Excited? Me too. But oh no. There are also some concerns we need to talk about. Let's dive in. First, real-world images. The proof is here. Leaked via Sony Alpha rumors and further analyzed by thenewcamera.com, we finally got our first peek at the A7V. The leaked shots show the rear portion of the camera, EVF, controls, and that familiar compact Alpha design. A top-down image even confirms the A75 model designation right near the mode dial. So, no more guessing games. This thing is real, folks. The LCD menu leak is where it gets spicy. The options listed: large, 33 megapixel, medium, 14 megapixel, small, 8.2 megapixel. That pretty much confirms a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor. Oh yeah! Now, some say the firmware is still early, so a few menu details might just be placeholders. But still, this gives us a strong direction. The sensor debate: 33 megapixel versus 44 megapixel. Now, here's where the rumor mill got messy. Some insiders swore a 44 megapixel prototype was being tested. Others hinted at a partially stacked 33 megapixel sensor. Multiple prototypes were probably floating around, but from the looks of it, the final call is sticking to 33 megapixel. Makes sense. Sony likes to keep the A7 line balanced, while reserving ultra-high resolution for the A7R series. But wait, performance worries. Here's the oh no moment. The A7 IV's 33 megapixel sensor was, well, let's be real, kinda slow. It caused rolling shutter issues, laggy continuous shooting, and ouch, a heavy DX crop when recording 4K 60 frames per second video. And in 2025, that's just not acceptable anymore, folks. Canon and Nikon are eating that space alive.
What Sony needs to do. Sony can't afford another half-step upgrade. To win back hearts and wallets, the A7V needs a partially stacked CMOS sensor for faster readout, better continuous shooting performance, uncropped 4K 60 frames per second video. If Sony cripples this camera just to protect the A1 or A7S lines, let's be honest, people will just jump ship to Canon or Nikon. The leaks point to a September 2025 announcement, with a full reveal likely in October or November 2025. So yes, folks, we're close. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be exciting, but risky. On one hand, we've got fresh leaks, 33 megapixel confirmation, and a clean, compact design. On the other, performance concerns, tough competition, and the fear Sony might cripple it again. Will it be a hero or a heartbreak? Only time will tell.
Big news might be on the horizon. DJI is rumored to be launching its very first full-frame digital mirrorless camera on this year. Yes, you heard that right. The whispers come from DJI rumors, via L rumors. And honestly, it feels like one of those, oh wow, this could really shake things up moments. Now, let's not forget, DJI already owns Hasselblad, the legendary brand behind the stunning X2D medium format mirrorless camera. That means DJI isn't exactly new to the mirrorless game. They've been quietly building expertise behind the scenes. And with so many brands, Sony, Canon, Nikon, Panasonic, Sigma, Leica, already crowding the full-frame arena, DJI's entry feels bold, daring, and oh so exciting. If this rumor turns out true, the big three, Sony, Canon, and Nikon, might start sweating a little. Fujifilm? They can relax. No full frame, no worries. Oh man, this camera can't come soon enough. We can expect it to be packed with advanced features, particularly for video recording, which aligns with DJI's expertise in drones and gimbals. While these are still just speculations, It's fun to imagine what features a DJI mirrorless camera could have. But how credible are these rumors? And if true, what could a DJI mirrorless camera bring to the table? The source of the rumors can be traced back to Andrea Pizzini, a well-known leaker with a history of both confirming and debunking technology rumors. Although we don't yet have concrete details, the prospect of DJI venturing into the mirrorless camera market has captured attention. As of now, DJI has not confirmed or denied these rumors. When asked about the possibility on Reddit, DJI's support team responded with a non-committal message. "Hi there. We have not yet received any information related to your question. Please stay tuned to DJI's official website for the latest updates." This vague response neither confirms nor dismisses the rumors, leaving the door open for speculation. We might see advanced video features such as high-resolution 6K or even 8K raw video recording, combined with DJI's proprietary D-Log color profile, which is highly favored by content creators for post-production flexibility. Another aspect to consider is the camera's sensor. DJI has experience with incorporating high-performance sensors in compact devices, such as their drones. Rumors suggest that their mirrorless camera could come with a 42-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, which would offer a balance between image quality and portability. This would put the potential DJI mirrorless camera in direct competition with models like the Sony A7V and Canon R5, which are popular among both professional and enthusiast photographers. The choice of lens mount would be crucial for the success of a DJI mirrorless camera. DJI has previously worked with the L mount on some of their products, and if they continue this trend, it would allow them to launch with a good selection of high-quality lenses right out of the gate. This would be a strategic advantage over competitors who often launch new camera models with limited lens options. If DJI can offer a versatile range of lenses at launch, it would make their camera more appealing to photographers and videographers who want flexibility in their setups. Access to a variety of lenses from day one could make DJI's entry into the mirrorless market even more compelling. While it's unlikely that DJI's potential mirrorless camera would be positioned as a budget option, it's also not expected to compete directly with the high-end models from luxury brands like Leica. Instead, DJI would probably aim for a balance between performance and price, targeting both professionals and enthusiasts who are looking for advanced features without the premium price tag. A crowded market with strong contenders, the mirrorless camera market is already highly competitive, with strong offerings from brands like Sony, Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic. For DJI to make an impact, their mirrorless camera would need to offer something truly special. Their expertise in video technology, compact design, and image stabilization could be significant advantages. If they bring their cutting-edge video features and stabilization technology to the mirrorless format, DJI could stand out in a crowded field. The rumors about DJI entering the mirrorless camera market are exciting, but they remain speculative for now. However, if DJI does decide to venture into this space, their camera will likely reflect the company's well-earned reputation for innovation and quality. With a focus on both high-resolution imaging and video performance, DJI could attract a wide range of users, from professional videographers to photography enthusiasts.